Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on XIAOMI 12T Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here try to find app called Notify Buddy. Select it and download this app. When it's ready, click on Open, go to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. Lastly, there you have the battery optimization, which you can disable, but it's optional. Go to the next step, and from here we can start using this app. So first pick any apps that you want to allow for custom LED lamp notifications in the user tab. In the system you can find all apps that are bound to your system. In active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or basically whatever you want. After doing so, click on the test, and right here you can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.